Okay, everybody, we got like 5 minutes. I want to do this video less than 5 minutes. It's over the euro dollar. So I already did the analysis so that you can see it here. We are on the hourly chart. I do think euro dollars is trying to do that reversal right there because we did see this consolidation. It dropped down and all over. It is in an all over downtrend, but I can see the reversal starting to happen right here. We get that nice drop, basing and rally. We get that nice pullback. We get that nice W right now, and then it breaks up here. So the prediction for this week is for the euro dollar to come back down, did that nice pullback. It came back to that 50 field area. This is the 50 area. This is the 60. This is the 70% area. So it did pull back at that 50 level, bounce out. But I am a little concerned right here because it did make that M. So it could go back up here and pull back even further down here to these fib levels before it give us that initial push up to the upside. So I'm already long because I already jumped the gun. I'm already long the euro dollar. So we're looking for the euro dollars is to break this consolidation right here, push to the upside, come back down for the retest, and then continue higher. So thank you so much for tuning in to Jay's TV. Hopefully this was up under 5 minutes, which was the goal. If y'all would like a more in-depth analysis on how I put the fibs in, how I put all these lines in, just let me know and I will break it down for y'all. Thank you so much, and thank you for tuning in to Jay's TV.